Oop. We're gonna fill this up. Oh, there's ants all over. Ah. I don't know why it's yellow like that, but I don't know. It's all good. Did you get it?
Got it.
Tell her to bring it out here.
Get out here now. It's really raining like that, but sock?
What?
Yeah, it's really raining. This thing, basket. This is my basket.
Gabe, that's my blender. I don't want nasty rainwater on it. It's not nasty, but it's more healthy for your plants for this kind of water versus the sink water. The sink water, the bacteria will there you go. Drink it. Oh, she's like, what are you doing, Mama?
She's trying to see.
And then the other cat's pregnant, so hopefully she has some cute kittens. Hopefully the neighbors can find or like hold her. Don't go put it back in the house with.
But can I?
Hopefully the neighbors.
Can I feed it? No. Hopefully, would you give them our cat and then you can keep the baby cats?
They're kind of looking at her baby cats too. They know that she's pregnant.
Mom. She probably already had your
Yeah.
babies. Here, let me go get a jug.
No. This is the only jugs we have.
Oh, I thought there were more jugs in the basement.
No, I threw all those away. I was gonna use them for planting containers, and I did, but they wouldn't. Is it still raining or no?
Let me go try.
I think it stopped.
Like this.
What is it?
This.
And see, if I had my own house, my own place, I would have bins to capture rainwater for real.
This.
Yeah, go ahead.
I want it back in here.
So yeah, that's just capturing the rainwater from this drain. It looks nice and pretty. So